Welcome to demonstration of Braille 1, a modern powerful Braille note taker and display for visually impaired students and professionals. When you purchase Braille 1 in a box, you get the device, USB-C cable and a charger, carrying case with lanyard, quick start guide. Let's begin with the physical layout of this device. This compact device weighs just 400 gram. 20 refreshable braille cells at the front. Above each cell, you will see cursor routing buttons. Pressing these moves cursor to selected location in your document. Behind that is Perkins style 8-key braille keyboards. Split left and right for dots 1 to 6, backspace and enter. Two space bars in the middle, ergonomic and easy to reach. On the front edge, we have 4 thumb keys for navigation: left, right, previous, next, and a home button right in the center. On the sides of left, there is a USB-A power button, USB-C charging port, LED light on right. There is a volume button and headphone jack. On rear, a SD card slot. On bottom, a anti-slip pads and braille serial number. There is 3 contraction in this device. First one is computer braille, second one is contracted braille, and third one is uncontracted braille.
Contracted braille. Computer braille. Uncontracted braille.
This device runs on Keysoft Lite interface with first letter navigation. From here, you can write notes, open books, manage files, access the internet, and much more, all in Braille. Then select a file in PDF, BRF, BRL, BRA, DAISY2, DAISY 2.02, Docs, Doc, Text, HTML, RTF, ODT, HTML formats. The auto scroll feature makes reading long files smoother. You can also listen using the text to speech voice in Hindi or English and read in Braille. Choose between Indian or British American accent. Braille 1 connects to Bookshare, Daisy, and soon Sugam Pustakalay.
Online services. Bookshare. Daisy Online. Close.
Once connected to Wi-Fi, you can browse, download, and read books instantly. No need to wait for physical Braille books. Braille 1 also works as a refreshable Braille display. It syncs instantly by Bluetooth. You can read messages, emails, or use apps all in Braille. Compatible with NVDA, JAWS, Narrator, TalkBack, VoiceOver, Mac, iOS, Android, Windows. Connect to Android, iPhone, Windows or Mac using the Bluetooth or USB. Fully compatible with major screen readers. Supports Android Braille HID or for Android 15. For schools, exam mode is essential. It disables Wi-Fi, USB, storage, so the student uses only the Braille editor, no scribe required.
Activate exam mode. Exam length in minutes. Password. Exam length in minutes. 240. Password.
Other useful features include date and time app, calculator, Wikipedia, and Wiktionary access, offline English dictionary, multi-language typing in one document, file sync with PC, phone, BRF to text export for sharing Braille notes. So basically with this device, you can write an emails, reports, and presentation in real time. Adjustable speed and accent. Auto scroll for long reading sessions. Braille 1 also supports over 250 languages including Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Odia, Marathi, and many more. You can even type or read in multiple languages within the same document. Stay up to date with free software updates for Wi-Fi. It has 16 GB internal memory and expandable storage with SD or USB. To power on, press and hold the power button on the side. The device vibrates, and within a few seconds, the braille display shows starting and then takes to the main menu. Now we will explore the main application of this device.
Editor.
First application is editor, to create notes in text format in any language.
Braille editor.
Next is braille editor, to create or edit BRF files.
Terminal.
Another one is terminal, to connect with your smartphone, PC, laptop for the refreshable braille display.
Book reader.
Book reader is basically for reading books in offline in PDF, docs, ODT, BRF, BRL, HTML, DAISY, and many more format.
File manager.
File manager basically for copy paste from USB drive and manage file.
Calculator.
Calculator, to calculate with braille input.
Date and time. Settings. Online services.
With online services, you are able to connect with Bookshare and Daisy online books to download digital books and read in braille and listen in speech.
User guide.
Inbuilt user guide to explore application, shortkeys, and all about features of the device.
Power off.
Now we will explore the setting menu. First one is user setting.
Close. User settings.
In this, the options are
Airplane mode off. Format markers on. Cursor visible on. Cursor blink on. Message display time 5 seconds. Sleep time 5 minutes. Auto power off 3 hours. Word wrap on. Condensed blank lines on. Confirm delete on. Vibration on. Beep on. Thumb keys configuration. Wireless notifications on. One-handed mode off. Start and terminal off. Ask to open USB connection. Ask for connection. Disable Perkins and terminal off. Back. User settings.
second option is language profile.
Language profile.
From this, you will be able to make multiple language profile like Hindi, English, Odia, and many more to swipe language anytime with Enter L.
English. Hindi. Tamil. Odia. Add profile. Configure profile. Delete profile. Back. Language profile.
Third option is speech setting.
Speech settings. Speech on. Speak menu on. Speak word under cursor on. Speak display content after pounding on. Echo delete on. Keyboard echo. Characters and words. Download language and voices. Back.
In this, you are able to on off sound, download TTS, and increase decrease speech rate. Fourth option is Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
To connect with internet.
Bluetooth.
Fifth option is Bluetooth, to connect with your external speaker and smartphone. Sixth, main menu application, to manage main menu application.
Main menu applications.
Seventh, change language.
Change language.
With this, you are able to change full device language in Hindi or any other languages. After changing the language in Hindi, the full menu interface convert into Hindi. Like editor app change into Sampadak. Eighth, activate exam mode.
Activate exam mode.
This is basically for classroom exam test. Ninth, software update.
Software update.
With this, you are able to update your device with new feature. Last one is about.
About.
To see the software version and serial number of this device.
Close.
Let's create a quick note. I am opening the editor by pressing Enter
Loading. The last open document was not closed properly. Open. Discard. Create file. A. C. G. C. 7. C. 3. L. C. 7.
I am typing directly in Braille using the Perkins style keyboard. You can save your notes as text or BRF files and even share with sighted teachers or print them later or read and edit docs, doc, ODT, text, BRF, BRL, PDF, BNA and BRA files with keypad. The files you create or modify are saved as a text file. Let's create a quick note. I am opening the Braille editor by pressing Enter.
Loading. The last open document was not closed. Open. Discard. Create Braille file.
You can save your notes as BRF files and even share with sighted teacher with export in text format. Now let's read a book. I am open a book reader.
Editor. Braille editor. Terminal. Book reader. Loading. Loading. Book list. Braille when Hindi.docs. Braille when uses .docs. Sanskrit demo 2. Braille when uses .docs. Professional Zoom. Want to complete their office work faster, more accurately, and confidently. Allows efficient Braille reading and writing of emails, presentations, reports, and other important documents. Save in time and reducing errors.
Now sample of reading book in Hindi.
आउटपुट फायदे एक ही डिवाइस पर कई भाषाओं में काम करें बिना सेटिंग बदले शिक्षा परीक्षा और पेशेवर उपयोग के लिए परफेक्ट तेजी से भाषा स्विच करें और कंटेंट को आसानी से मुख्य विशेषताएं 240 जो सपोर्ट हिंदी अंग्रेजी अरबी बंगाली तमिल तेलुगु गुजराती मराठी संस्कृत उर्दू कन्नड़ मलयालम नेपाली पंजाबी आदि डिवाइस बदले बिना भाषा बदलने की सुविधा अलग अलग ब्रेल टेबल का सपोर्ट अपनी पसंदीदा भाषा चुन सकते हैं ऑनलाइन में काम करता है डिक्शनरी और विकिपीडिया एक्सेस चुनी गई भाषा के अनुसार प्राप्त करें टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच पीडीएस सपोर्ट हिंदी और अंग्रेजी भाषा में ऑडियो आउटपुट फायदे एक ही डिवाइस पर कई भाषाओं में काम करें बिना शिक्षा परीक्षा और पेश संपादक ब्रेल संपादक टर्मिनल किताब का पठन फाइल मैनेजर लोड हो रहा है बुक्स डॉक्यूमेंट्स हिंदी doc.docs प्रीट लेग आइटम नाम के आई.brf ट्रांसलेशन पीछे हिंदी doc.docs हिंदी doc.docs पर भारत गणराज्य ISO भारत गणराज्य 21 दक्षिण एशिया में एक देश है हिसाब से यह 7वां सबसे बड़ा देश है 2023 तक सबसे अधिक आबादी वाला देश 22, 23 और 1947 में अपनी स्वतंत्रता के समय से दुनिया का सबसे अधिक आबादी वाला लोकतंत्र 25-26 में हिंद महासागर दक्षिण पश्चिम में अरब सागर और दक्षिण पूर्व में बंगाल की खाड़ी से घिरा यह पश्चिम में
For more information, contact shopforspecials.com